Hello, it's me, Sebastian. But I found that we might see on the TV has a pet things. It's called Samsung. This one or a button here. The Samsung logos on it. Now, but we take a look on this cardboard CNC. You notice there's three cables, and there's a buttons over there, and it must be something. Have to start the TV. Now, just to make this simple, and we make, but we take this here the TV to their home and playing games with it. Okay, now let's see. And then there's some symbols of the TV, and I know what the TV is. The top view of the TV, and one of these the TV are here. It must be here. You've noticed that like this, like this, or like this. Now, just stick together. What if I go to get this measure? This character is here. Now, we have to find a stage to transform it. See how the cables can move. See, now the problems are solved. Now, see if the TV looks so good. If it's the end.